All right, nighttime.
You ready? I'm gonna go ahead and send you, all right?
All right, let's do it. All right. Don't know how this is going to work out, but we'll see if this thing's too dark or not. Yeah, this might be a little bit dark for the GoPros, but we'll find out soon enough. There's Heidi back down there. All right. Let's see if any of this works out, or is it going to be just too dark with this little GoPro. This has all got standard settings as well. Catching up to me already, huh?
I'm right here. Right over your shoulder, baby.
There you go.
All right.
I'm going to push down early.
Oh, I'm already pushed.
Are you pushed?
Already pushed down.
All right.
I'm on it. See you at the bottom.
All right. Good luck.
Woohoo!
Start your engines.
Here you go. Speed by me, Speed Racer. All the way down. Woo! That's one. Very good, sweetheart. What's that, honey?
Did you win it?
I don't know. We'll figure out the time in just a few minutes. Some of these carts are by themselves. Coming up down there? You did? Can you hear me okay?
Oh, yeah.
Keep it pushed forward.
I'm pushed already.
Are you? Cool.
Hell yeah.
Let's see what kind of speed we get. See if it is faster than this morning.
It seems to be, yeah, you seem to be going faster. And I felt about the same.
Yeah, I've got this thing pushed forward as well. Oh, yeah, you're gonna go down.
This is like a different, wow, I'm way below you.
I know, I could tell.
I'm way below you, but
Are you?
this is different.
All right, keep it pushed forward though, just in case. This is our last part of the ride. Right below me. All right, last part.
Here we go.
There you go, birthday girl.
I'm already pushed down. Here we go.
Me too.
Freaking rocket.
See you at the bottom, baby.
Start your engines.
Already did.
Pretty good. All right, let's go. Woo! Yeah. Can't see at night. Hard to see at night. Ooh, fast. Very fun.
Let's go.
Awesome. Very cool.